Hi there, Mr. Automation again. I'm back. Very short video, by the way, how to convert your function to a module that you can use inside of other scripts. Very simple. It's a remake, by the way, of another video that was scrappy quality. So that's why I make this. So here we have the function we discussed in the previous video. And basically now it's a script, right? If you run it, you saw the output, right? Those nice messages, those nicely formatted messages, information, warning, and error. And now we're going to convert this to a more functional something, more modular, right? We create a module for this. And a module can't contain command statements, so we need to remove those. And we'll do that and we create a new script in demo here. Here, for the sake of this, we do it like this for once. We call it test.txt. Doesn't matter much. Let's call it hang on. Let's make it a script PS1 for now. That's fine. Move them over for there because I already have an ID with that. And basically, what you do is rename this guy. You can do it graphically, but you know me, with always with the keyboard. F2 for renaming, and PSM1, so it's not PowerShell 1, it's PowerShell module, and then 1 behind it. Press enter. Now all of a sudden it's a module, right? And now inside of your script you can import that module and then use those functions. So if you now, for instance, right click here and copy the relative path, right? You can do it with a shortcut as well, but not this time. I do it graphically. Copy relative path. Go to your test script or any script you have, and you do import module, and you stick in that name of that file. And I always encourage you to do it like this because that's not very useful, I think, to be honest. So let's reveal it in the Explorer and really copy as a path, and then we import that guy there, right? So now if you import that module inside of any of your scripts, and I'm going to clear the screen here, you can use those nice messages, right? So I'll show you another one. So we do this test, we copy that over to a test copy, we copy this line into this test copy file, right? Oh, we already have that, of course. And let's remove all the messages here. Just only write one. This is from script 2, doesn't matter much. Remove that, right? So first, again, run the module. If you only do this, it will now run because it's already in memory. But if you run it inside of your script, you always need to import your module, and when you have imported it, the functions become available. And let's see, perhaps we can extend it a little bit. Inside of this module, we have now one function. Just let's add another function because I think I have some here as well to send an email, for instance. So we just stick this function from a script. We stick that now into a module. I just copy and paste it in, and I do Control S. I save it. I go now back to my test script there, and with -force you can re-import all those modules. Otherwise it won't be re-imported. Keep that in mind. So that new function won't be available. So you press F8. That forces the new function to become available as well. Let's see how we call that. Send-MRBMail. Let's see if we have that available here in the end. So you should have now Send-MRBMail. You see? -message, -SMTP server subject. You see that? Message, subject, SMTP server, mail recipient. See all those input parameters you need to specify here, right? Minus attach. You see, you can also attach something there. So that's it. Basically, how you can convert your function to a module, PowerShell module, and then use that inside of a script and extend your modules. If you have like I have here, sort of a logging module. I think a mail function fits fine into that, and perhaps even a cleanup function for some log files. I don't know, but I'm just giving an example. But you can stick them together in one file and then import that. You can also create several modules, of course, and import those separately, and then all those functions become available inside of your scripts. Okay, and that's it. The end of the demo. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.